No, it's straight up the mountain. Okay, here I go. You hollering for bears? Y'all, this is a pretty hike. What kind of plants are those? There's quite a few of them out here. I'm talking about this one right here. See, they're back over there. I don't know. I want to know.
Straight off there, ain't it?
This is a nice, cool spot right here, too.
You picked up a little bit.
It did indeed.
It's coming out of the south. Or the west. Maybe southwest. I don't know.
All right, y'all. What is that? Look at those big leaves. Wow. Mr. Childers has got him a little bird following him. He's not moving, but every time Bobby takes a step, bird moves forward. Here he goes. He's gonna fly. There he is. A little bit more. You're gonna have a whole flock following you before too long. Y'all see him? Let me see if I can see him right there. Oh, here's another one right here. They blend in really, really good. What kind of bird is that? They're cute, that's for sure. You see? He's right there. Cute.
In Prince William Sound are salt marshes,
Only 1%.
such as the one you see here. It's a big one. Covers 1,000 acres.
So this is a salt marsh. You can actually tell by the edge here.
I can smell it
Oh yeah.
because I'm salty.
You salty? He's a salty dog, y'all. Look how pretty that is.
This is a productive ecosystem that attracts dolly varden, whatever that is, and
Silver
pinky
salmon.
and silver salmon fry. A nesting and feeding habitat for the waterfowl and shorebirds. Wow, pretty neat.
So didn't you say bears?
This is right here. In late summer through fall, local estuaries fill with salmon, making their last journey from the sea to stream to spawn. Pink salmon or humpies run before the silver salmon. cohos and can fill small streams nearly bank to bank.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Pretty neat.
Yep. Okay. I've never seen them huddle up like that before. Look at that one eating fish. Y'all see him? He just moved under the water. Look at him. I don't know. I've never seen him like that before. It looks like those two right there are hugging each other, holding each other up. That's salmon. And we're thinking that the reason the sea lions are like that is because
They gorge themselves.
yeah.
They can't eat no more. The salmon are swimming all around them, and they don't even want any. They're so full. You got one down there. He's eating some.
The salmon.
Two of them. Oh, this ain't nothing yet. Just wait.
Wow.
You see them coming in out there. You see them coming in out there. I mean, they're so thick down there, you can just reach down and pick them up by the shovelful. There's a big school of them here. Look. Something's looks like a dolphin or something's in there. Something's in there after them.
No, that is really thick.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of fish in there.
Oh, I just seen a little seal. He's gonna come and get his.
Something down there.
The salmon are a running.
I
Wow.
mean, they're all right across the front. It's thick. They're trying to get up in this river
Let's go on the other side.
so they can spawn.
Look at that, y'all. Jeez.
There's a lot of salmon in there. Look at him. He's after some of them right there. They're sleeping over there.
I guess it looks like they're holding each other up.
Yeah, they're pals now. They're sleeping.
We're full. We can't eat anymore.
Yep.
We're done. I mean, look at the seagulls out there eating. My goodness.
Something to see. Nature. Wow.
Now look over here. Look at the salmon.
These are the silver. First one's the silver, right?
I think so, yeah.
And the ones after this will be even a little bit bigger. I mean, the water's just full of them. Wow. They're so thick.
Seriously. I mean, like they're on top of each other.
They don't realize it, but they'd be safer if they were back out there. But they have an instinct to come in, and the current's so strong they can't get down up the river.
They really have to jump. They're trying to jump. These sea lions are gorging themselves.
Amazing. I mean, you can see it on video, but you actually see it yourself. It's unbelievable.
Exactly. Look at him.
You got him one. Ah, they bite the heads off of them. I guess they do. I don't know how they just let him go.
Oh, there's plenty more for me to eat.
Oh, they're everywhere. Yep, there he is. Sea lion. There's some big ones coming in now. There's more arriving. Look out there. They're all starting to come in.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the big schools of them. Holy hell, Batman. There's thousands of them. Trying to bite that head off. See? Let the head go. Let the head go and go grab the fish. The head ain't no use to them. These salmon come back here every year.
Every year.
They keep them from going up the river because they don't want them to spawn in the river. Most of these salmon come out of this hatchery because they're sports fish and all that.
Right.
So the reason I don't let them go up the river is to get them into the hatchery so they can collect the eggs.
Oh.
So that keeps
It'll overwhelm the stream.
the fish will. They originally came out of here, but when they put the hatchery in, they hatch them here, so they come back every year. And it pushes that gate down there pushes them up into the chute over here, the collection chute. And they'll go up in it when they pull that gate up down there.
Y'all see the gates? That's what he's talking about.
It's called a weir.
Okay, y'all, we're eating at the Fat Mermaid in Valdez, Alaska.
That's me, though.
And I told the girl we robbed a bank before we got here so we could afford to eat.
That's the markup. That's the way it is.
It is.
That's the way it is anywhere now. That's a touristy place.
Yeah, so tell me something I don't know.
Well, my hamburger is $19.99.
So is my rockfish
Actually,
sandwich.
it's $21 because I had added cheese. So I made a cheeseburger.
It better be a fantastic burger, huh?
Uh-huh.
Now, we've had the rockfish, and it's pretty darn good.
Everywhere we've had the rockfish, I actually like the rockfish better than I did the halibut.
Me too. Me too.
But we were all unanimous on that. I don't know if it's where we ate several different places.
Yeah.
But the rockfish is really good. Mm-hmm. And that's something that's plentiful here.
Look at our view out there. Is that not awesome or what? I love Valdez, Alaska. When it's sunny. When it's not raining cats and dogs. Well, y'all, we complained about the price, but look at that burger.
Mm-hmm.
Lift that bun and lettuce up. You got a burger under there?
Big one, yeah.
Ooh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm. Be a little soft on that burger.
All right.
And that's a big piece of fish on there.
Yeah, buddy. Let's see what we got here. Look at that. I got the rockfish and fries. Oh, let's see what this tastes like.
That's pretty dang good.
That's a nice helping of rockfish on that sandwich. Let's see if this is Mr. C approved.
Mm-hmm.
He's a burger connoisseur, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Pretty good.
good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Big old bun.
Mm-hmm. So my rockfish sandwich is really good. The bun's a little much for me. You can see on Bobby's how thick the bun is.
Mm-hmm.
So I just took the top part of mine and eating it. Pretty good. The fries are delicious. What do you think about the Fat Mermaid?
I got a little fat. So, it's good.
It was good?
Yeah.
My sandwich was good
Yeah.
too.
I needed a burger.
Yep.
I got my burger fix. I'm good to go now.
All right. There's a bear. A black bear. Oh, he's in a hurry. He doesn't know where he wants to go. Run, baby, run! Love that sound. Not the wind, but the water. Lots of folks left from yesterday, that's for sure. Plenty of RV parking. Yeah, plenty of spots out here where you don't have to be right on top of somebody. Don't you think they're a little close? 50 to 100 feet apart, folks. 50 to 100 feet apart. They don't want to hear you flush your toilet.